how to reset Instagram algorithm. So if you want to reset Instagram algorithm, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom right. Once you tap on the profile, go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from here, you need to scroll down and you'll find an option of content preferences. In my case, it's right here, content preferences. Tap on it and you will have an option of recent content preferences. You need to tap on reset and go with next, and your problem will be fixed. Your algorithm will be reset. But this reset content preferences option or reset suggested content option is not available in all of your regions. So if you don't have this option, then what you need to do is just go back, scroll down, and you'll find an option of help. You need to tap on help. Under help, you need to go with report a problem and tap on report problem without shaking, and you need to report your problem to Instagram. Report that the option is not available or it isn't available in your region or in your device, and Instagram will reach out to you. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.